Diamond Divas, it's time for another unwrapping. And while I was looking for what this might be, what it might be from, I don't seem to have it. I'm really bad at that, aren't I? Telling you where things come from. I try to include it in the bottom if I know, but most of the time I do know. Just anyway, today we have a counter cross stitch, beautiful butterfly. I love counter cross stitch as well, so I'm gonna start doing that again. And this, I think, is a bigger teddy bear. No. This is from Factory Direct, I think. Factory Direct. This is a mama elephant. It's like a shelf sitter. You know? It sits on the shelf like that. And the two babies come like after. They're supposed to like... Oops. Just like come after her. They're so adorbs. Adorable, adorable, adorable. I don't know how they don't hook onto each other, even though their snouts look like they might. Cute. They're doggone cute, is what they are. With my other trinkets. This is from Crafts Direct, I think. Yeah. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama, get your hinder in there. There you go. Taping this on a Saturday, there's a lot of motorcycles and trucks going past. Joy. Joy, 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 joy. Alright. And here's some neck size. Oh, okay. This is the little wreath or dream catcher. I thought it was going to be one that you hang things off of. There are some that you can get that you hang things off of. This is not one of those, apparently. The kit comes with the black tweezer, and it's all rhinestone. I'm your bling gal. Yep. I see all kinds of goodies in there. This will work up fast. Very pretty. Maybe I can find the right type of background. Put that on, maybe a round background. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Another 30 by 30. Uh-huh. A yin yang. Yeah, it's not yin yang. It's yin yang. There's no G on the end of the first one. But it's all gems. This one comes with little baggies. I think it's just what mood they're in that day when they pack them up as to what they give you baggies or not, or a tweezer or not. I'm not complaining. I don't need any more of the kits. I'm going to try to find something to do with all those little green boats. I've given many away. I've even used them to glue. Did I shove two in one? I don't know, babes. Anyway, I have an empty one for some reason. It's been crazy since I got home from vacation. So, on goodies I found in the mail when I got back from vacation. Let's see. I bought these from, it's probably from URBestDeals or Shop Any Deals or FG Normal. But it didn't have where it came from in here. I hate when that happens. So what I got was, if I know, I'll put it in the bottom. Okay, so this is called a drill sweeper. and you put a battery in it, and it's supposed to pick up spilled drills. Now, I have yet to test it. I don't have the battery in it. Obviously, I waited to show you, and I've got to figure out where the batteries go. It says insert battery, so insert the battery inside his head. You twist his head off. Whoop. All right, and you put a battery in there. What kind of battery does it take? Okay, it looks like 2 AAAs. All right, well, I'll have to do that. At the end of the video, I'll go grab some. I'll spill some drills. I'll go grab this, and we'll see what happens. All right. I got these for doing up and selling at a craft show. There should be 2 in each package, and they are the little teddy bears. The little teddy bear thing now. See? That's so popular. If they're keychain size, they won't be that bad to do. Oh, aren't they cute? This is a pink and a white. Can you see that? Can you see the white in there? Yeah. They're so cute. Keep them like this. Adorbs. Okay, the same kind of kit, except that they added glue. I believe they added like a super glue to it. Let me see. I can open this little package. Oh, why do I fuss with it? I got big guns out here, right? There we go. Ooh, this is cool too. Come here. They give you little baggies. It gave you a few, but you only need 2, but that's all right. This has one of those needle tips that I love. You see that tip? It has it. Oh, it's B7000. I like E6000, I think it is. But this is another super glue. You take this top off, put this little needle thing on. I imagine you have to rinse it out in between because when I get the little bottles, they clog up very easily. So, one's red and one's white. I know I said pink before. It looks more red to me now. Yep, red and white. I got peach and purple. I got mint and yellow. And I got another purple and peach. Like lavender, a lighter lavender and a lighter peach. Cool. That's so much fun. I can't wait to get over them. And I have to figure out where I got them from anyway because I need to figure out how much I spent so I know how much to charge for them. And I got another one of those sorters. Like I made one on camera, very short video, and they're these things. I think this one's smaller, obviously. So I think it only has 2 rows plus the holes on the top. But between this kit and this one, after I put it together, I will have enough to do a nice size kit. So let's say there's, okay, what's one less? So this is another 6, where this is 11 or 12. 6 and 12. That's 18. That's, you know, that's half of some of the kits that you usually get. So, hang on. I'll jump cut and I'll be right back with 2 AAA batteries. Alright, I think they're AAA, not AA. Alright, jump cut. Take the little guy's head off here. Oh, maybe they're AA. Come on. I don't want to bust it if it's for triple. Let me try the triple first. Here we go. Maybe I'll jump cut all this stuff out too. Alright. AAA. No, it's not AAA after all. It is AA, so let's see. Okay. Struggling with this. On the struggle bus with this. Okay, ready? Now. Okay, so put the little guy's head back on. It took 2 AA batteries. Wait a minute. I want him looking straight ahead, don't I? And it doesn't work. Something about the way I did it. Something with the way she looks. Well, my husband is the mechanical genius. I'll get him to figure it out next time he's here, and I will add it onto the end of this video. Okay? And hopefully this little sweeper will work. Thank you for joining me for the unboxing of these kind of goodies. I am looking forward to figuring out how to use this to remove little pieces of dust or little bling off of the table, and taking these for the craft show. I'll make one with you on camera, so you'll know if it's easy or difficult to do. Okay? Thank you from WANDA'S WORKBASKET. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends. Alright. Take care. Bye. Oops. Looks like I spilled some drills. I wanted to show you, I wanted to see if this worked. I unboxed it recently. It is a desk cleaner. It's this little guy, and underneath it has like you put in the batteries, and there's a switch on the side. And why isn't this working? I did put batteries in it, didn't I? Oh, yeah, battery. Hope I got them in right. Oh, come on. Supposedly, it'll sweep it up. It'll like a little suction it. These little feet. Clean up the mess. Now I've got to clean up this mess. Until my hubby can fix this. Oh well. Another failed attempt. It'll be a take 3, folks. Alright, thank you. Take 3 with this little kitty. Alright, let's try it. Now we got them all, batteries all right way around. You can hear it. Yay, it does work. Oh my gosh, this is so great. I can use this on the floor where I diamond paint all the time. Oh, that's great. Cute thing. Alright, now let's see. I think you pull the feet off to get them out. Yo, oh, yeah, well now I spill them everywhere. Great. Well, yes. The little filter is in here. Twist it and pull it out. And that's where they all kind of hide in here. So, yeah. So if you're careful about opening it, then you can keep all your drills safe and sound. Whoop, did I get that on? I got them on crooked. Okay, so they're cute. They're not as easy as they look, but they are super cute. So I can handle that, right? There we go. This time I'll try to open it the right way. There we go. A little fuzzy. Now I'm going to try to attempt to put all the drills back in the container. Take the feet off gently. They twist. Right? There you go. And untwist that. Oh, they're all out. See? It does work. What do you know, divas? When you get the batteries in right, some things do work. Let's see. Come on now. There. Nope. Not quite. Well, if it's not one struggle, it's another, right? Here we go. Ta-da! There we go. That's right. There's the face. Little feeties go this way. Ta-da! Okay. So we have now determined that this little thing works. Very good. Thanks for stopping by. Bye now.